So there were some medical emergencies at home, be it my wife's brain tumor operation, my father's cancer that we fought, and eventually we lost him in 2018. घर बॉम्बे में तो घर लेना ही बहुत बड़ी बात है यार. तो बॉम्बे में आने के 10-11 साल बाद भी जब ऐसा एक मोमेंट आया कि घर ही नहीं है, तो सडनली द होल फैमिली वाज होमलेस. So you struggle that time. You have to maneuver yourself, your emotion, and the whole family. So I was always a lean and thin guy. I always had this complexion, and that's it. My approach towards creating a character was very. I guess I didn't have a particular style, particular method, and I had no clue how to get into films, whom to meet, how to approach, how will I get to know where the auditions are happening. So I had no clue about it. Film was a medium where there were a lot of people whom I used to meet. कि आज यहाँ audition है, आज यहाँ audition है, आज यहाँ audition है. So I gave a lot of auditions. I don't know why TV never happened to me.
You were rejected on TV?
Yeah, it never happened to me. I guess I could never. They could never see me playing one of the characters on television. I thought if I'll just go and drop my photographs, I was sure that nobody's going to see the photograph. And through the photograph, how will they come to know what can I do?
Yeah.
It's just about the look. If I am applying for a modeling job, it's okay. There were a lot of times where I had to decide कि अब इस समय पे इतना confusion है life में कि वहाँ पर ये करूँ कि नहीं करूँ. So और ये इस ऐसे मतलब ये बहुत नाजुक समय होता है कि one decision can make or break your career or life, or the route would have changed. But I guess my family stood there like rock.
If there was somebody who owned 2020, it has to be Pratik Gandhi, who became a household name after the super successful Scam 1992. And today we have him with his director Hardik Gajjar talking about Bhavai. Thank you for joining us on Bollywood Bubble, both of you, Pratik and Hardik. And like I said, that you became a household name, and I'm very happy because did you ever feel that your success last year became a lot more personal to people? People celebrated that victory a little more because they could relate to it as an ordinary Indian man.
That's such an overwhelming feel, when I actually got to know that people have taken it personally. There are a lot of people who are messaging me and telling me that your success feels so personal that we feel motivated. We feel that there is always hope, and there is, if it can happen to you, it can happen to us also.
Absolutely.
Now when I heard all these things, when I heard all these comments, actually, I was in tears, and it gave me goosebumps that
Sweet.
How can it be so personal with people? And then in that case, I'm supposed to be very, very lucky to have such people around, to have such energies around.
But Pratik, this film, a question to both of you, this film, on this film set, did you get Scam 1992?
Yes.
So this has to be a lucky film.
It is a lucky film. It is a special film because it's my first film as a lead protagonist. So in any case, this is a special film for me. But yes, it is lucky because a life-changing call came on the set of this film.
Hardik, I want to ask you this, that today Pratik has become such a huge name, popular name. Everybody knows him. But when you were making this film, he wasn't as popular, right? But you still believed in him. Today he must have 30, 35 producers lining up for him. At that point, to believe him also was a risk, but at the same time you had the conviction that you wanted to go with him. What made you believe in him? What was it in him that actually struck with you?
एक कहानी की ना अपने आप में एक स्ट्रगल होती है.
हाँ.
जो कहानी को
बिल्कुल.
तो अगर हम फिल्म्स की बात करें कि मैं ये फिल्म्स बना रहा हूँ या ये फिल्म बना रहा हूँ इसके साथ, उससे पहले चीज़ आती है कि मैं ये फिल्म बना रहा हूँ. ठीक है. तो जब भाई हम लोग बना रहे थे तब पहले दिन से पता था कि इसके लिए कैरेक्टर कौन सा ढूंढना है और कैसा ढूंढना है, जिसका जवाब आपने अपनी ओपनिंग इंट्रोडक्शन में दिया, हाउस होल्ड वाली.
Absolutely.
और वो मुझे प्रतीक में दिखा और मैंने बोला ठीक है, मैं इसी के साथ जाऊंगा और यही पे फिल्म.
चलिए मतलब long back when I started in Bombay, when I was going meeting people, I guess this was the point on which I never got selected. What common face है यार. We need something special. So I guess that common face got me this film, and that's
Absolutely.
how it worked.
But you know, it is so refreshing to see this come at a time. I have seen people like I was speaking to her. There's a point of time when people look at theatre and theatre actors in a very different way. They are considered talented, but at the same time, they are not considered commercial commodities when it comes to movies. How many times have you battled these kind of perception? ऐसे तो लोग सोचते ही है ना कि मतलब थिएटर एक्टर है यार, मतलब पर देखने आएंगे क्या थिएटर्स में कोई मूवी? You know, will they make it as a commercial actor? ये सारे questions होते हैं. You must have battled it all along. I want to come to you and I want to come to you also because your film is based on theatre. It celebrates theatre.
Yeah, so see, theatre actors have always been considered as a set of actors, those who have worked very hard, because theatre is a format that way, because it's a live format. There are no retakes. You have to prepare yourself so strong before you go on stage that there is a zero scope for an error. Right? So with all these things, the perception of theatre actors are very good. Yeah, he must be talented. He'll be good. But at the same time, will he be successful commercially? Now, answer to that is, I don't know. There is no answer to this. Unless you do it, unless he's given a chance, you will never be able to judge him.
Yeah.
So it's all about that one chance, that one project, that one film that can let him perform, let him reach out to people, and then let people decide.
Absolutely. But you know, Pratik, when you look back at those days, like you said in the last question, what were the kind of rejections you faced? What were the things that were told to you?
So I was always a lean and thin guy. I always had this complexion, and that's it. My approach towards creating a character was very, I guess I didn't have a particular style, particular method. I always was an intuitive actor. वहाँ जाके जो सूझेगा, जिस हिसाब से energies काम करेंगे, उस हिसाब से perform करेंगे. और I guess when I started, searching for work in Bombay, it was a time where TV was the biggest phenomenon. You know, every actor wanted to work in television, because television was, I guess, churning out serials after serials after serials, and
they were working.
Continuously. There was good money also. And I had no clue how to get into films, whom to meet, how to approach, how will I get to know where the auditions are happening. So I had no clue about it. Film was a medium where, there were a lot of people whom I used to meet. कि आज यहाँ audition है, आज यहाँ audition है, आज यहाँ audition है. So I gave a lot of auditions. I don't know why TV never happened to me.
You were rejected on TV?
Yeah, it never happened to me. I guess they could never see me playing one of the characters on television. And I don't know till date the criteria of rejection, but something was not working for them. And I guess, it was a sign for me that, okay, hold on.
I have a lot of friends, who are also pursuing the medium but haven't got an opportunity yet. But they keep telling me that they have to go through ridiculous. मतलब देख के before their audition, they are told that fit हो या unfit हो. मतलब ये आपके साथ भी हुआ?
ये होता है, but there is a different angle to it. And most of these lines that you hear is from the auditions of advertisements, ads.
Yeah.
Because they are searching for one particular character. So do you fit in that character or no?
Achha.
And that's how it is, fit, not fit. That's the only thing. I am sure nobody is judging you on any other criteria and parameter there, because in fact, look at the angle from their side. They have to take almost 100, 200 auditions to search that one character, because their brief is so precise that they want some actor who looks like this character.
Yeah.
So it is not about your talent. It's about how you fit in that character. I'm sure, and that's how it is.
Have you ever approached a big production house and got rejected?
No, I never knew how to approach them. I thought if I'll just go and drop my photographs, I was sure that nobody's going to see the photograph. And through the photograph, how will they come to know what can I do?
Yeah.
It's just about the look. If I am applying for a modeling job, it's okay. But I was applying for a job of an actor.
Yeah.
So unless they see me performing, how will they know? So I could never do that.
Well, when you made this film, आज के ज़माने में हम लोग ऐसे एक ज़माने में रह रहे हैं ना कि बहुत वॉलेटाइल है सब कुछ. आप अच्छा भी करने जाओ, कुछ ना कुछ नुक्स निकाल ही लेते हैं लोग. तो मैंने भी जब रावण लीला सुना था, मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट जानना था कि आपने क्या कॉन्सेप्ट दिखाया होगा, because he is always celebrated as this demon, as this devil, right? But everybody has a human side. Even a villain has a human side to him. I thought that it might be about him because I didn't know what the film is about. But आपको कहीं कहीं लगा था जब आपने डिसाइड किया था कि रावण लीला की इसमें प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, बिकॉज द नेम हैज चेंज्ड टुडे टू भवाई, एंड इट्स आल्सो बिकॉज everybody's sentiments get hurt and it's sad कि कुछ भी करो, you know, sentiments hurt हो ही जाते हैं कभी ना कभी.
So frankly speaking, we never thought in our wildest imagination that this will hurt anybody's sentiment, because film has nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
It is about the actor who's playing Ravan on stage.
Yeah.
And how the world perceives him as real Ravan, and then what happens to him. That's the film. So we thought that putting name Ravan Leela fits the best, because we are talking about the Ravan, the demon, which is lurking in all over us.
Yeah, absolutely.
The thought, the perception, the wrong thing which is told to you in a way that you tend to believe कि हाँ ये सच ही होगा. So we were talking about those demons, you know, those evils around us, and we just wanted to keep it a metaphorical name, so that's how Ravan Leela. But the moment we came to know कि यार इससे तो लोगों को दिक्कत है, if they are feeling that their religious sentiments are being hurt, so which is not the case and not the intention of the film, so we changed it to Bhavai.
Bhavai because it's also the meaning,
folk theatre form.
Yeah, folk theatre form. But I want to know that, you know, everybody says कि सबको राम बनना है, but सबके अंदर राम रावण दोनों है, ये बोला जाता है.
जी.
Nobody is black or white, right? All of us here are grey. We have a black side, we have a dark side, and we have a positive side to us also. If you had to analyze your own life and say what is your positive side and which are your shortcomings, तो आप क्या बोलोगे?
ये हर इंसान की लाइफ में ना सिचुएशन पे डिपेंडेंट होता है. ट्रस्ट मी, कोई भी इंसान एक टाइम पे थ्रो आउट करके एक जैसा नहीं रह सकता है. राइट नाउ आप यहाँ पे अभी बैठे हैं, आपकी एनर्जीज कुछ और बोल रही है. एग्जैक्टली आफ्टर 20 मिनट्स आपकी एनर्जी कुछ और बोल रही है.
True.
So जो हम बोल रहे हैं ना कि अंदर ही है, वो यही एनर्जीज, नथिंग एल्स. इसलिए हम ग्रे.
Absolutely. What about you? What is your grey?
So for the grey area in my life, in my thing, I guess grey तो बहुत कुछ है यार. grey तो ऐसा, I guess nobody is black or white, but grey. Okay, let me just give an example. What I perceive as grey. That a lot of time you feel that you don't want to do it, but you still do it. So ये करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है खुद को जज के यार मेरी जो इच्छा नहीं है वो करके मैं अच्छा कर रहा हूँ कि बुरा कर रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
Because my first gut comes from within, and that is come from the soul.
Yeah.
So if I believe in the spirituality, then the soul is telling me something and I'm going against it. So whether I'm doing right or wrong, it is very difficult to understand. That's when you suddenly feel कि यार पता नहीं क्या है, सही है गलत है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता.
You know, I will also be, I've always been honest about it, so I will not lie. Scam देखने के बाद मैंने जैकी भगनानी वाली मूवी देखी जहाँ पे आप वो गाने में आए, and you know, then I recognized you. But when I had watched it then, I'm sure like me, everybody today might come and tell you कि you know we liked you. I will not lie to you. I had not known of you. So there's a perception change, right? I'm talking from my personal point of view. There has to be a perception change that you have also noticed in people. How do you take that? Like एक point था जब आप इतने ही अच्छे आर्टिस्ट थे, but आपको अब जाके वो recognition मिल रहा है, वो क्या बोलते हैं वो, you know, you're getting that love and appreciation from the audience.
So I don't blame anybody for it. I mean, if like the way you're telling me, a lot of people told me this, and I don't blame them. I don't feel bitter about it, because that's the truth of life. Unless I create my success story, nobody is going to be interested in me. So the onus is on me. You know, I'll have to create that success story, and that's it. That's how world works. So it's a practical thing around me that I see.
But how do you see the perception change?
No, perception changed a lot. It's 360-degree change now. Suddenly people are more excited about me, about my work. They want to work with me. They are writers writing the stories for me. So yeah, a lot of things are changed now. Earlier, I guess same set of people whom I have approached, or they must have considered me sometimes, and with the thought कि यार पता नहीं, not sure, I could not get the part. now they are waiting that I'll read the script and revert to them.
How sweet. And that's the success we need.
Yeah, so that's a very exciting time for an actor. कि यार okay, now if I am able to win your confidence, I am sure that I'll get to do something exciting. That's the only thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You know, when Scam happened, I'm pretty sure nobody apprehended the kind of success it would become, but the situations were such, and I think everybody got to watch that movie and everybody, somehow it was a word of mouth success. Everybody started talking about it, and you know, there was not much promotion before the release. It was only after the release that it became like, it hit out like a tsunami. How did you take the audience reception then? Were you expecting this?
I had no clue that this will become such a big phenomenon. One thing was sure, that when I was shooting for it, when we were shooting for it, we were sure that we are onto something really good.
Yeah.
But we had no clue that this will become like this tsunami, you know. So audience kept, reaching out to more number of audience.
Yeah.
So they became our brand ambassadors. Audience only was reaching out to more number of audience, and they were only referring people ki ye dekho, ye dekho, ye dekho. But I am coming from theatre and regional cinema, where we are attuned to this. We have been living only on mouth publicity. Theatre never has that much of money that we create some buzz with lot of marketing money. Regional cinema also goes through the same thing. So it is always that release करते हैं, लोगों को अच्छा है तो वही बताएंगे लोगों को, and that's how it is. So that's what happened with Scam.
Does it give you more confidence? Because from a supporting lead to, like you said, this is your first film as a lead, and it has happened right after Scam. So pressure, I'll say that, does it give you more confidence?
It gives me more hope.
Yeah.
That now I am hopeful that more number of people will come and watch it. And I'm really hopeful about it, you know. Confidence की जहाँ तक बात है ना, so it gives me a lot of confidence that whatever I was doing was right. If they could relate to the earlier character that I have created, then I am confident enough that they'll be able to relate to these emotions also.
Yeah.
Rajaram Joshi also. So yes.
You know, I before we began this interview, I had spoken to you about the episode that you did for a show, and I said how relatable and how real and honest it was, especially your wife. She was also very real and honest on the show. I remember this interview where Pankaj Tripathi had gone and said that when I was struggling, I could struggle because I had the support of my family, especially my wife. In your case, it's also the same.
Same thing.
Yeah. So how do you look back at those days? Like, how were those days? How did you get through those days?
I am completely blessed because I got support from my family. Because without that support, I don't think I would have made right choices at those difficult times. And there were a lot of times where I had to decide कि अब इस समय पे इतना confusion है life में कि वहाँ पर ये करूँ कि नहीं करूँ. So और ये इस ऐसे मतलब ये बहुत नाजुक समय होता है कि one decision can make or break your career or life, or the route would have changed. But I guess my family stood there like rock with me, and then I guess I am here. So all the credit, everything is I just owe it to them.
Were there any moments of self-doubt? Because as an artist, you crave for that attention, you crave for that opportunity, right? और जब आपको पता है कि आप में वो हुनर है और वो आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी ही नहीं मिल रही है वो हुनर लोगों तक पहुंचाने की, तब एक सेल्फ डाउट या फिर वो एक डेस्परेशन, एक फ्रस्ट्रेशन आता ही है. वैसे मोमेंट्स थे? फाइनेंशियल ट्रबल के भी कभी मोमेंट्स आए और कैसे उससे आप जूझे?
फाइनेंशियल ट्रबल, फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस, मेडिकल क्राइसिस, ये बहुत कुछ आया लाइफ में. पर ये ब्रेकडाउन वाला जो मोमेंट है ना, या सेल्फ डाउट वाला मोमेंट है ना, I don't know, somehow I could never, it never happened to me, because I was always a person, the moment I see issues, I tend to think about solutions. And that's how I guess my mind is trained. तो मैं प्रॉब्लम देखते ही सोल्यूशन सोचने लगता हूँ, तो शायद प्रॉब्लम उतना बॉदर नहीं करता कभी.
But what were the troubles that you...
The troubles in the sense, I guess everybody goes through this. So there were some medical emergencies at home, be it my wife's brain tumor operation, my father's cancer that we fought, and eventually we lost him in 2018. घर बॉम्बे में तो घर लेना ही बहुत बड़ी बात है यार. तो बॉम्बे में आने के 10-11 साल बाद भी जब ऐसा एक मोमेंट आया कि घर ही नहीं है, तो सडनली द होल फैमिली वाज होमलेस. So you struggle that time. You have to maneuver yourself, your emotion, and the whole family. And when you have a full-fledged family and you decide to quit your stable job and get into something like this uncertain world, so that is another struggle. So all these things were constantly going one after the other. And from there, you have to have focus in what you want to do, keep your passion on, and keep doing it. So yes, I think I'm blessed that I could do this.
But you know, like you said, there's always two sides to a story. Today you have a success story that the universe will love to live with you. But at the same time, like you said, I was going to come to that you lost your father. Before Scam could happen and he could see you becoming and, you know, into this huge star.
Yeah, so it's
Is
his
there a
dream.
regret?
It was
Yeah.
his dream that I'm living right now.
But is there a regret?
Regret, I miss him, yeah. I miss him. I mean, the regret is, I don't know whom to regret to, whom to complain. But yeah.
But you know what is so nice about both of you is that आप लोग बहुत in Bengali it's called माटीर मानुष. I don't know what it's
Yeah,
said
मिट्टी के
in-
आदमी.
हाँ, कि बहुत grounded है और वो दिखता है और despite the success and stardom, a lot of people actually change, you know, and it's kudos to your parents for the upbringing that you have, that you've not changed and you have that same demeanor. And I hope that people who strive or who look out for success in life and have ambition like you do, if they really want to charter a life like yours, they should also become a human like you. That's it.
Oh, thank you very much. But I believe in this, that if I could get to this point because of who I am,
Yeah.
then I don't want to change it.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. It was lovely chatting with you. All the best for Bhavai and बहुत लोग देखेंगे ये movie. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, thank you very much. 1st October, you watch it and let
Of
us know
course,
your
I will tell you.
reviews.